మనసా నువ్వుందే చోటే చెప్పమ్మా మనసే నీకేదో చెప్పాలందమ్మా मेरी गलती मैं खुद सुधारूंगी, मेरा अच्छा मैं खुद देखूंगी, क्रेडिट मैं खुद को दूंगी और मेरे माँ बाप को क्रेडिट दूंगी कि मेरे जैसी लड़की को पैदा किया.
ఇప్పుడు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇలాగే ఉందా ముమ్మ అయితే ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ చైల్డ్హుడ్
If I love you, I will give you my everything. And if I hate you, I will take everything. Even if I've given you the underwear also, and I will take it.
God!
No, I'm serious.
Are you serious?
I'm not joking.
వైజాగ్ దగ్గర చిన్న విలేజ్ లో ఏదో షో దట్ వన్
5 साल से बेचारे लोग मुझे बुला रहे हैं. And I never did it because I was on break. I took a break, I went to Mumbai. So over here you saw all the rumor what they have started. They started saying I've turned into recording dancer.
సో మ్యారేజ్ థాట్స్ లేవని
Please stop it. I'm not interested.
మ్యారేజ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేదు
नहीं లేదు
లేదు అండ్ చేసుకోరు
ए వద్దు
ఎందుకంత
a पक्का virgin girl no. I'm a 31-year old. मैं किसके साथ रिलेशनशिप में हूँ
కానీ 14 ఇయర్స్ అప్పుడు ముమ్మాయిత్
13 years
అప్పుడు ముమ్మాయిత్ ఆ మనీ గురించే బయటకు వచ్చింది
frustration money problem ये problem घर life is on risk
ప్రైజింగ్
अच्छा చాలా ప్రైసింగ్ ఉంది కరెక్ట్ ఓకే డన్
చాలా ఏంటి ముమ్మాయిత్ అప్ టు దీస్ డేస్ ఏంటి ఏం చేస్తుంది ముమ్మాయిత్
రికవరింగ్
ఫ్రమ్
this year Jan I had aneurysm coiling done. That is because I met with an accident at home because my floor is marble and I have Italian bed. So normally Italian bed have sharp edges, right? You have square, low bed, square one and proper. So because of the floor being marble, I slipped and then I banged my head on the corner.
Okay.
Which I thought, okay, fine, I'll be fine. But then I directly got up in the hospital. And then I thought, oh, did I hurt my head so bad that I got stitches and I'm in the hospital right now?
Okay.
And then I get to know, because I don't remember anything, then I get to know that I bursted my 3 nerves and my brain was bleeding for 2 days continuously, which I don't know about it. I was in coma for 14 days.
God!
No, I'm serious.
Are you serious?
I'm not joking. Do you want the CD of my operation? You'll find andas in my brain. You'll find titanium wires in my brain. I have 9 titanium wires. So while the surgery was happening, because the 2 other nerves were swollen.
Okay.
So when they were injected, it was a very high upgraded version of operation, because normally anything happens with the brain, they shave, they cut, they stitch and everything. But this was very simple. It was from the hip bone. They inject you the wire which goes and block the area from where it's bleeding, the nerves are bleeding. So while inserting the 3rd one, I bursted my 2 more nerves because it was swollen. So the pressure, it bursted more. So even the doctors, they got so scared. So for safety purpose, they put 9 titanium wires in my brain. So
When this happened?
Jan 5th this year.
Okay.
Yeah. And I was, he literally said it, I'm not supposed to walk for 8 months because in aneurysm, it's advanced one, it's upgraded one. So what happens in that, even tying your shoe, it's a major problem. So I was not supposed to bend, my blood pressure should not, it was not supposed to go more than 130. It was like nothing, I was not supposed to do, no tension, no, and best part, I bursted my sensory system nerves because we have 4 brains, right? 2 bigger and 2 smaller. So one side, it gives you the sense of your feelings, your happiness, sad and everything. The other one is for your system and like, you know, so more and so on, because that's where the whole your body is connected. So I bursted my sensory system nerves. So, and I was the youngest patient in the hospital to get it done. And I was supposed to be out within 3 months, which I got out within 1 month because I missed my doggy, Molly. I told the doctor very clearly, या तो मुझे जाने दो या तो मेरे कुत्ते को लेकर आ जाओ.
Wow.
ये दोनों में से एक करो. And because I was the youngest patient, normally it happens with the older people. So they were quite, the doctors, they were quite curious to leave me or not to leave me because they don't know how will I recover. See, for old people, it's very easy because they're going to be on the bed for the most of the time. There is no walking, no exercise. And my job is completely different. I am more hyper, I am more active, I dance, I love music. So it's completely opposite. So they were quite scared. But at the same time, I gave them the confidence, like, you know, I have to do it. I need to get out because I cannot recover like this. I cannot. I need normal place to recover because from my childhood, I've never been a person like, you know, it's there in many people habit to victimize themselves and be like, oh, look at me, poor me, sympathize me. You know, there are people like that. And I am not at all like that. For me, it's like, okay, okay, forget it.
Yes.
Let's do something else. So when that happened, so he said it not to walk or work out or even do anything for 8 months. And he literally said it not to work for 2 years. No work. Nothing.
So Tika is your last movie.
No, I'm working, babe.
Okay.
As soon as I got out from the hospital, I got out within 1 month, 14 days. And I was supposed to go for my first checkup. So, iske liye for a month, I was in Mumbai. I went for a checkup and the first thing he said, you're not supposed to work. And I just told he's a senior doctor from Bombay Hospital. Like, he's no more, God bless him. He's no more, he was my doctor, PL Tiwari. He said it, no, you cannot work. And with this thing, now what happens, there is actually no filter from my brain till my mouth. Now it is more, there is no filter from my brain till my mouth.
Okay.
So when he said that, I was like, how am I supposed to recover my money which I gave it to your hospital? How can you say not to work? How is it not possible? I'm like, dude, what are you talking about? तूने मेरा मुँह ऐसा देखा. And good, I went with my cousin brother. I looked at my cousin brother because with this thing you get panic really faster, you get stressed out really faster and get hyper really faster, which I'm not supposed to do it.
Okay.
I looked at my brother and I like, dude, तू समझाना पड़ेगा इसको, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है language. I cannot explain him, you have to tell him. I cannot explain. I am completely pakka fine. I personally feel that because I believe in the more you manifest, the more you feel and you have a willpower कि नहीं यार, it is normal, it will happen, this is life and this is how it is. You cannot do anything about it. You cannot cry, you cannot do anything about it. This is what your life is. Simple. So now move forward. So I told him, he's like, my brother was like, Munnu, you sit, wait, you go for your checkup, get your, like, you know, that CT scan done and ECG and all of that blood pressure check and everything, the first visit. I was doing that, I don't know what he was talking, I don't have any idea. As soon as I came out from my first checkup, I looked at him, he's like, see, you can work, but it's completely on you because it can break anytime.
Okay.
Yes, and if it does break, there is no chance for you to survive. Because this is a very delicate situation and with your thing, because you're the youngest patient and you're so hyper and all of that, that's the reason why we are telling you to take care and make sure your BP doesn't go above 130. So the previous year I used to work out. I stopped working out because of this. So now no workout, no listening to loud music, no doing anything. So after that checkup I was like, you know what, I need to go back to Hyderabad. बस हो गया, अब तो बस, अब हैदराबाद भागो. नहीं, because over here, even though I don't work, even though if I chill, at least you're away from something, like, you know, you want to be away from the situation which has already occurred and you don't want to be in the same place.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Place मारते, you get that
you'll have that flashback again and again, यार ऐसा हो गया, अरे ऐसा हो गया, ऐसे. So I wanted to change, so I wanted to leave the house and put my house on rent and come here.
Okay.
So within a month, I kept my house on rent and I came here and I started chilling out. And then Swapna Dutt called. Munnu, will you do this? Da, 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 da. I'm like, Dik Swapna, I don't have any problem. But there is this problem. I would love to test myself. I would love to come on this show and I would love, because I am one Keeda. If you say no to me, I will try. See, I will not say मैं 100% तुम नहीं बोलो मैं हाँ करूँगी. My situation will be like 50-50. थोड़ा कर लेते थोड़ा नहीं भी कर लेते देख लेते क्या सिचुएशन है लेकिन my thing is like that.
Give it a try.
हाँ, I have always been like this, babe. I have never, if you see my graph of work also,
Yes.
I never chose A grade, B grade,
Yes,
C
yes.
grade, या reality show नहीं करना, या TV नहीं करना, या ये नहीं करना. मैंने सब किया. क्योंकि I don't want to be in one situation or one category all the time. If you see, I did female-oriented characters also, item song also, then reality shows also, television also, judging also. I did everything because I don't want to categorize myself into one thing. Me, I believe myself as a performer. I'm not an artist.
Yes.
I'm not an actress. I'm not an artist. I'm a performer.
Yeah.
I love to perform. I love to entertain because I am like that with my own self. So that's the reason why. Then I told Swapna, okay, Swapna, see, I don't have any problem to do it. But Swapna, the day when I said, no, my neck dukh raha hai, take me to the hospital immediately because this is the whole scene.
Okay.
Then they had all the medical and everybody set up for me. My staff were there. Like, she's a very, 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 very dear friend of mine. Swapna Dutt, I will do anything for her, for sure, because the way she treated me and the way they have taken care of me and everything, including Navdeep, including all the contestants, including everything for Super 2. So I went and I was like, कर लेते मुन्नू, देखते क्या होता है. तो if you'll see, even in Super 2 मैंने एक, see, होता है करने, पर दिल बोलता है नहीं. कभी कुछ हो because now I'm on the position I will not say कि कुछ ज़्यादा बड़ा है पर it is a very dangerous thing. Now
But for Super 2 is dangerous for your situation, right? By that time?
yeah, I did all the stunt.
Yeah, I have seen
ताकत है
that.
तो करना है, नहीं ताकत है तो then forget it. And then जब वो अमूल्या से तो झगड़ा हुआ, I never expected कि मेरा उससे कभी झगड़ा होगा because I really loved that girl so much. She was the only one who used to sit alone in the bus.
Seriously, will that happen in
Yeah,
shows?
yeah.
Like a
Yeah.
serious jagda between
Yeah,
people?
yeah, because I did not like the fact you don't make a face. You don't make face because she did with me, she did with the Pooja also. चलो अगर मैं अच्छी driver नहीं हूँ, I'm a just do the beep if it's possible. If I'm a fuck all driver also and I'm a bad driver, I don't have a judgment. Bloody, I am blind. मैं blind if you see the episode. मैं इतना हंसी when I saw the episode मैंने कहा अमूल्या is right on the waist. इतना थोड़ा, इतना सा left, इतना थोड़ा. Dude, I'm blind. I cannot see anything. Even though you make the expression और इतना करके it is pathetic because I cannot see anything. My whole intention है वो बच्चा के जाना है और ऊपर चढ़ाना है. अरे बेचारी को मैं मानती हूँ चलो उसको ड्राइविंग का डी भी नहीं आता है. She doesn't know about it. At least be normal. गलती भी हो गया. It's a team task यार. कौन सा इतना बड़ा पहाड़ टूट गया. It's just a task. It's a game. You know what I'm saying?
You have done more stunts also, no? There, like,
Exactly. You can do so many things यार. तो वो
అది
लड़की
ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం అయిందా? Was it a problem for you for this?
Of course it was a problem because as soon as she came out, she stupid ऐसा करके उसने कुछ बोला. And with this operation and all that, you get hyper really fast. You get very hyper fast and the reaction come immediately. There is no stopping of the reaction. I'm sorry. फिर तो वो आर्या पारे अरे तू क्या है क्या? What? After all of that, still when they came and took my interview, I was like, see, it's a team task. I cannot blame her and she cannot blame me. They did not, I guess they did not show because they were concentrating on me, what I was saying. They were not concentrating on her expression much. They showed me because what I was talking. मैं देख रही हूँ ना, वो मुंह बना रही है. ये मुंह मत बना पागल. मुंह पागल है. And like, what is wrong with you? Like, what is wrong with you? Don't do that. And it's a television. She did with me and she's like, oh, who are you? Then she got a guts. Guts हो गया तो मैं अब भी कौन है तुम्हें? अब तो तू गई. अब तो मैंने इतने प्यार से बात कर रही हूँ. Now you don't bloody judge my, you know, I am being nice to you. Don't take me for granted. If I love you, I will give you my everything. And if I hate you, I will take everything. Even if I've given you the underwear also, and I will take it. I will not leave. I'm sorry. Mine is very clear. I cannot be diplomatic.
Yeah.
I cannot be politically right. I cannot do all of that because I'm a very open heart person. I care a hell about what society thinks about what. I stand for myself and I do myself. So I was reading all the comments also over there. Oh, poor Amulya. Huh? Who told Mumai to come? And I was thinking, look at the whole world. If it happens to their own mother, sister, or their wife, their girlfriend, they will stand for it. And because I am standing for myself and I have my own voice, because nobody can, if I have my own voice, I bet anyone who will stand. I bet. मैं खुद का ही ख्याल रखूंगी. मेरे को माँ बाप की जरूरत नहीं है और मेरे को किसी की सिंपैथी की जरूरत नहीं है. मेरी गलती मैं खुद सुधारूंगी. मेरा अच्छा मैं खुद देखूंगी. क्रेडिट मैं खुद को दूंगी और मेरे माँ बाप को क्रेडिट दूंगी कि मेरे जैसी लड़की को पैदा किया.
ఇప్పుడు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇలాగే ఉందా ముమ్మ అయితే ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్
childhood. From the childhood, ask my mother. Since childhood I have always been like this. You be nice to me, I'll be very nice to you.
ఓకే
You ask me anything, it's always 24/7 it's available for you and my door is open for you. My mother also knows कि दिल से प्यार करती नहीं तो भगा देती है. मालूम है, माँ को भी मालूम है. वो किया, वो होने के बाद what happened, I was not supposed to yell. And plus I was doing all the stunts. It was giving me pressure.
ఓకే
I was not supposed to do that. So वो build up. So when final आया तो मैंने, और please genuinely tell me, after being on this position, I'm not saying oh I'm on a high position. Yes, in your eyes and in others' eyes and the respect what other people they give me, I totally appreciate that and I accept my position where I am. But do you genuinely think I have gone over there to do a competition with girls? No, I was there to test myself. क्योंकि मेरे को इंजरी हुआ है. मुझे देखना है कि मुझ में कितनी ताकत है.
Okay.
How much power do I have to take it? You have a willpower. So my only thing was, even though if I reach to the top, I will never do the final with them. That was from the beginning. I will never do any finals with them. It was from the beginning. पर अगर टॉप में आया, एक चीज़ है, I will motivate the girls. Can see? And I told Swapna, don't tell anybody about it because till the end, till the time I don't decide to leave, and if the pressure doesn't happen too much for me, till the time I don't decide to leave, don't tell people about it because I don't want that sympathy and all that jazz. क्योंकि वो है ना, seeing na, the judging of people will become different
yes
towards you.
yeah
When somebody
when you're
gets
not well,
हाँ,
that sympathy and
and मेरे को नहीं पसंद. I don't like it. I genuinely don't like it. तो when in the end, when I said it, they all were shocked. And I was like, एक तो उसको yell करना, फिर कल वो apple भी उठाना नीचे से. I was not supposed. I don't know how to swim. I was not supposed to do the water stunt.
Okay.
And because I left gym, right? And after leaving gym, your body becomes, because your muscles are there. You grow muscles. और एक बार gym, once you leave, तो muscles lose होते हैं. Fat doesn't come. The muscles become loose and that's where your weight become more heavy.
okay
So when the water wala scene was there, the poor guys, they couldn't rotate me. I was laughing my ass out. I was like, oh my god, I've become so fat. Like huge, not even fat. I've become so huge that they can't even rotate me. Still I did the water stunt. Still I did the pressure stunt. Still I jumped from the height. Still I did a lot of things. पर उसको चिल्लाने के बाद थोड़ा pressure ज़्यादा हो गया.
okay
Because I am a person, if you call me on time, especially for shoot, I'm always on time. I don't do hair and makeup. If you have seen me in the whole Super 2 also, there is no makeup. I love to be myself. I don't want to get ready. When I'm working, I would love to be ready and do my thing. Otherwise, in normal thing, मेरे पास time नहीं 5 बजे उठ के makeup and hair करने. Sorry. I would rather take rest and eat my medicine and recover myself, start healing myself. So that day I didn't get up. तो I thought नहीं यार, अब नहीं. ये एक लक्की होता है, 2 लक्की होता है, 3 बार लक्की होता है. उसके बाद तो भगवान भी खुद बोलेगा बेटा बहुत ज़्यादा कर रही है, छोड़ दे. So that's where I realized when I didn't get up on time for my shoot, for my work. I told Swapna, नहीं भाई Swapna, बस I guess top भी हो गया है. I have reached on the top. बस है. Let me leave the message to motivate people because there are many people who go through depression, diabetes, obesity. They go through so many illness, sickness, and like you know, frustration, money problem, ये problem, घर का problem, husband problem, wife problem, children, money, monthly expenses, कैसा पैसा कमाना, हर महीना कैसा देना है घर में, घर चलाना है, क्या क्या नहीं problem है. Everybody have this problem. That problem can only be solved if you keep yourself happy.
ఓకే
No need to run behind anything.
కానీ 14 ఇయర్స్ అప్పుడు ముమైత్
13 years.
13 ఇయర్స్ అప్పుడు ముమైత్ ఆ మనీ గురించే బయటకు వచ్చింది ఇంట్లో నుంచి కరెక్టా
From the age of 13, I started working because in all my previous interviews, if you have seen that we have reached to the position where my mom used to even search for 50 paisa in the house.
ఓకే వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్ డాడ్ బై ద టైం
My dad was retired. He used to work for Mahindra and Mahindra. He was the main manager. He retired because earlier 50, 51 they used to retire, right?
Okay.
My dad is 66, man, 68, 66, 68.
when you was 13
No, now.
now
My mother is 59 now.
no by the time when
He
you
was retired, na babe. Company
When you're 13, he retired.
Of course,
Okay.
I was born late.
Okay.
My older sister, she is 41, 75 born. Zabain was born after 9 years. Huge gap.
okay totally you are three
Three
siblings.
sisters.
three sisters
Yeah, I'm the youngest.
okay
I'm the youngest.
yeah
इसके लिए तो वही एक था कि जब मैं कर सकती हूँ इतना मेजर जो अभी भी मेरा लाइफ रिस्क है. इवन राइट नाउ माई लाइफ इज ऑन रिस्क टिल
because of
टुडे.
that injury
Yeah, babe, I'm not supposed to work for 2 years. It's only going to be 1 year now.
Yes.
I did Super 2 within 3 months. After that, I finished so many, like Tikka shoot, I finished it. Then there was a song, I finished it. Then there was Ma award show, I finished it. Then there was this event, I have to go, I have to finish. Then this Gemini I did. So I've been going, I've been active, but not that active when I used to be 4 years back because that time I used to only work. Because there was no personal life. Babe, I never saw my teens.
yes
Okay, I never saw my teens, I never saw my 20s. At the age of 26, I decided to take a break.
okay
From the age of 13 till 26, continuously day and night I was working. And at the age of 26, I decided to take a break. Was it wrong? No.
no
क्योंकि मैंने तो मेरा बचपना भी नहीं देखा. मेरा पर्सनल लाइफ भी नहीं है, मेरा कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ माँ बाप को ही देखा है मैंने. सो ऑब्वियसली आई डिजर्व दैट ब्रेक. व्हेन आई टुक द ब्रेक, हाउ पीपल स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग एंड आई फाइंड इट सो पैथेटिक एंड पिटी ऑन देम कि ठीक है यार, उनका भी घर मेरे बुराई करने से ही चलता है. चला ले भाई, कर ले, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाट.
ఎక్కడ బేసిక్ ఎక్కడ మీది నేటివ్ ఎక్కడ
बॉम्बे.
బాంబే
Yeah, Mumbai. I'm born and brought up in Mumbai.
ఓకే
My father is from Pakistan. My mother is from Chennai, Trishnapalli.
ఓకే
Yeah.
13 ఇయర్స్లో ఓన్లీ ఫినాన్షియల్ ప్రాబ్లం వల్లే ముమైత్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసింది
No,
ఇండస్ట్రీకి
not
వచ్చేసింది
see, financial problem was there, but then Mumbai doesn't know where to go and find the money.
దెన్
Luckily, it happened. My sister was in college. Then in college, you know, you have this social events and yearly event होता है ना, annual
Anniversary,
events and all that
tables,
जो college में होता है. Babe, I'm only 8th grade student, babe. I'm just a 8th grade student. I failed once because of Marathi. Because of Marathi, I failed once. So I was in 8th. Zabain was in 11th. She was in 11th standard and I was in 8th. And that's where she told me, Munnu, because I love dancing since my childhood. So she was like, Munnu, tu mujhe sikhayegi mere college aake. I was like, okay. So I thought her when her function happened. So the light guy who does firework on the set, shooting पे पता है fire effects and the
Yeah.
smoke effect and all that. Salim was the guy who saw Zabain. क्या ये लड़की तो अच्छी है. And that time Remo just left Ahmed Khan.
ఓకే
The DID Remo, ABCD2 director
Yeah,
Remo.
I know.
He left Ahmed Khan just then. And he was looking for girls to create a group
ఓకే
for Remo. So Remo started as a choreographer. We started as a background dancer. So Zabain said it, I will only do it if you allow my sister to do it.
Oh, she wanted to go along with you.
Yeah, because she knows she will never get to go alone for sure. So the only way was me.
Okay.
And she knew it that I used to love, because my mom said it since the time I started walking, I used to dance. I used to only dance. My mother said it. This is a fact. Maybe that's the reason why I'm still like this. So she said it कि अभी बहन रहेगी साथ में तो माँ तो मना ही नहीं करेगी. और माँ की मजबूरी.
Yeah.
करेक्ट, माँ की मजबूरी क्या कर सकती, कुछ नहीं कर. एक तो वी कम फ्रॉम अ पठान फैमिली, ऑल आवर कजिन्स दे वेयर बुरखा, हिजाब, सलवार कमीज एंड ऑल दैट. माय फादर कम्स फ्रॉम अ प्रॉपर पठान बैकग्राउंड. तो माँ was like a eagle in the house. My माँ is like a bull. She is a very strong woman. मेरा माँ इतना strong है, इतना strong lady है ना, समझ लेना वो शेर है तो इसके लिए वो सवा शेर पैदा किया है.
Wow.
हाँ, मेरा माँ इतना स्ट्रांग है, खड़े खड़े फाड़ देगा किसको भी, इतना स्ट्रांग है. दिमाग पर आके हमको नहीं छोड़ती. She doesn't leave my father also. She doesn't leave me and my father. गाली गाली, ले बिंदास गाली she gives it. So बचपन से देखा है, माँ ने बोला है बेटा एक मार खा के कोई भी आए ना घर पे मैं मारूंगी तुम लोग को.
Wow.
So that is my mother word. So that's the reason why. So माँ ऐसा था, ज़बाइन को मिला, and then ज़बाइन came and spoke to mother. And plus you have a situation in the house where you cannot do anything because you are in need of that. So still my mother was like, this is only one time, huh? If your father gets to know, na, he will kill me. He will. My father is Pathan. Touch wood. वो माँ ने तो बचपन से डर डाल के रखा था. आज बड़े होने के बाद when I see my father, he is such a gentleman. वो पहले से वैसे ही थे. ये माँ ने ना दिल में डर डाल के रखा था कि तेरे पापा मारेंगे. तो वो उसके बाद से एक बार हाथ छुप छुपा के माँ का मजबूरी ना भेजेगा तो गया. We did a shoot. My first payment was 750 rupees. So we bought 1500 at home.
You both?
We
got?
both.
Okay, 750, 750.
Yeah, we bought
Okay.
1500 at home first time. बस उसके बाद स्कूल. फिर एक महीने बाद कॉल आ गया because for all the others they were looking for dancers and me and Zabain we were young because we were Pathan. We grew up very early. Our body, our structure, it grew up early because being Pathan and South Indian, even you know, South Indian girls कितना जल्दी they look mature. At the age of 12, 13 they look very mature. तो अभी मैं mixed breed है. I'm a mixed breed of Pathan and South Indian. तो वो तो और भी जल्दी इंसान बड़ा दिख गया. You won't believe when I was 13 I used to look like 17 or 18 years old.
Okay.
और आज तो एज बढ़ती ही नहीं है, 31 होने के बाद भी नहीं लगती बुढ़ी मैं.
It's not like that. Okay.
No, I'm seriously telling you, it's just a hereditary and nothing
Yeah.
else. It's in the genes. So that was a plus point. That's it. Nothing else.
Did
So I
anybody tell
started-
you about your eyes? It's like greenish.
No, this is lens.
Okay.
It was dark brown, but then I have noticed after my operation, when I see myself in the mirror, it's coming lighter brown.
Oh,
I don't know, babe. I'm being very honest.
okay.
I'm being very honest. This is a lens what I wear. But if I take it out, earlier it was chocolate brown. You know, you have black. जैसा उनका भी chocolate brown है, or you have a chocolate brown. It was that. But since 1 year when I'm seeing my eyes, it's becoming lighter brown.
Okay.
मैंने मेरी माँ को भी बोला, just a week back I told her, मैंने माँ मेरी आइस का कलर ऐसा हो रहा है, ये कुछ है क्या? नहीं ना बेटा इतना ऐसा, you know how mother are. अच्छा ठीक है, stop it. She's a funny man. So this is how life is, man. This is how it goes.
You did piercing on your tongue, and
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
famous for that, no? Tongue me the piercing. I'm
Yes.
sorry, show the camera if you.
It is there since ages. I did when I was 18 years old. I'm 31 now.
తినేటప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం అనిపించదా?
यार इट्स लाइक हियरिंग ये क्या ये हमेशा ये क्वेश्चन क्यों आता है? खाना खाने के बाद अटकता नहीं है. No, it's the same thing like your piercing.
A piercing, but you won't eat from here, no?
अरे इसको ये क्या मतलब हो गया? It's just normal like a normal piercing.
Okay.
दो
And
बार
you
तो
have
मैंने
tattoos
बाबल
too.
खा लिया है. एक 2 बार तो अंदर खा भी लिया है. But it's fun, yeah, babe. This is how life is. You're supposed to be happy. Do things what you love to do in your
Yes.
life. Don't listen to others. कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला.
అండ్ ముమ్మాయి కానీ దాని గురించే బాగా ఏది అంటే అది ఏది లోపల ఉంటుందో అదే చెప్తుంది అని.
You are supposed to be like that. People are going to like you. Some people are going to hate you for it. So care a hell about who's going to hate you. Because don't change your personality for someone because you don't fit in.
ఏదో
You
ఒక
will
point
fit
of
in
time లో-
anywhere. You don't have to categorize yourself and be for a person to fit in. You don't have to. You will fit in anywhere in life. That's how God has made you. Nobody can take anybody's fate anywhere. Until and unless you ruin it from your own hand. That is different.
మన ఓన్ హ్యాండ్స్ తో రూయిన్ చేసుకున్నా కూడా రిగ్రెట్స్ ఉండవు ఆఫ్టర్ ఆల్.
Regrets you supposed to regret 1 or 2 days, but then move on. Move on. Walk forward. If you stay in the past, babe, वो तो past ही हो जाएगा ना babe. I personally feel जो मुझसे डरता है या तो वो झूठा रहेगा, चोर रहेगा, या तो कुछ तो गलत
not
रहेगा.
true
वो
to them.
हाँ, जो गलत रहेगा इंसान वो मुझसे दूर भागता है. क्योंकि मुंह पे लगाम नहीं है ना, from brain till my mouth. If you do wrong, I will say, babe, this is wrong. Whether you like it or don't like it. If you will not like it, you will never talk to me. And it will never matter to me also.
ఓకే.
It will never matter. What to do? माँ बाप ने वैसे ही रखा है, मेरा पप्पा वैसे रहता है. My dad is staying like this. I have seen my dad since childhood like that. You know that?
కాదు, ముమైత్ ఖాన్ మూవీస్లోకి వచ్చేసాక అంటే ఫస్ట్ బయటికి పంపించడానికి మదర్ చెప్పారు, ఫాదర్ తెలిస్తే ఏమన్నా అంటారు అని.
Father got to know after when we regular started working. So that's where my mother became hero, entered in the position, and because माँ का ही काम होता है. माँ ही पापा को हमका पापा ने ऐसा डरा के रखा है कि बड़े लोग बात करते बीच में बात नहीं करने का. घर में मीटिंग होता है बड़े लोगों का, घर से बाहर भगा देती थी मम्मी, बाहर जाओ खेलने. कभी हम लोग के सामने कोई मैटर
डिस्कस नहीं
कभी नहीं. किसी का झगड़ा, भाई भाइयों का झगड़ा या बहन बहनों का झगड़ा, बच्चे कोई इन्वॉल्व नहीं. नो इन्वॉल्वमेंट. सो वो डर था कि हम फादर से बात तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. द ओनली वे इज माई मदर. तो मदर सेड इट. माई मदर कॉल्स माई फादर शमू का पप्पा. दैट इज माई एल्डर सिस्टर नेम शमीना. तो शमू का पप्पा.
यूजुअली नॉर्थ साइड पीपल कॉल दैट लाइक दैट ओनली.
हाँ, पहले बच्चे के नाम से. सुनो गोपी के पप्पा. आई टोल्ड माई मदर, मम्मी मैं इतना करने के बाद तुम मेरे पापा को मुन्नू के पापा क्यों नहीं बोलते हो? मुन्नू के पापा बुलाओ. इतना हंसते. So that's why my mother explained my father about the whole situation. And my father is such a gentleman. My father studied in St. Joseph. All his friends were Catholic and Punjabis.
Wow.
Being a Pathan and coming from a very conservative family, जो बचपन में नहीं मालूम था, थोड़ा बड़े होने के बाद ही पता चला. So that's where my father was very chilled out.
Okay, he was okay.
He was very much okay, very supportive. You won't believe, after some time I got to know, जब मैं छोटी थी, my mother said, तेरे को मालूम तेरा पैर कितना अच्छा दिखते है? तेरा पप्पा बोलता है, अरे मुन्नू को ना शॉर्ट ले, हसीन मुन्नू के लिए ना शॉर्ट चड्डी ले, शॉर्ट्स पहनने के लिए मुन्नू के लिए, मुन्नू का पैर अच्छा दिखता है. कौन करता है ऐसे? तो my father has always been a very open heart, open minded guy. यानी वो इंडियन रह के भी फॉरेनर है. वो इंडियन रह के भी फॉरेनर है. माँ उल्टा है, माँ चील है, माँ ईगल है. बैठ के ची करके बैठे खत्म. तो ऐसा होता है, एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव रहता है. माँ स्ट्रॉन्ग है, फादर मोर जेंटलमैन है. तो आई एम अ मिक्स ब्रीड ऑफ दैट. तो इसके लिए मैं बोलती हूँ ना, प्यार तो दिल से प्यार पापा की तरह, नफरत तो माँ की तरह, कुछ दूंगी भी नहीं, हट निकल जाए यहाँ से, वैसा होता है.
ఇంట్లో సిస్టర్స్తో గొడవ అవుతూ ఉంటుందా?
सच्ची बोलूं, एक ही बार, जस्ट वंस. बिकॉज व्हेन आई स्पीक, आई कीप माई पॉइंट अक्रॉस. किसको सुनना है सुनो, नहीं सुनना है मत सुनो, मैं आगे नहीं बोलना है, तुम्हारी मर्जी. माई फादर अंडरस्टैंड. माई फादर लव्स मी बाय द वे. ही नोज. ही कीप्स टेलिंग माई मदर ऑल्सो, नहीं हसीन, मुन्नू बराबर बोल रही है, मुन्नू प्रॉपर बोल रही, सही बात कर रही है वो. So that's where my mother understands them, and that's where the whole family understands.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది మెచ్యూరిటీ? ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చాక వచ్చిందా లేకపోతే?
हाँ, industry will always teach you, because I grew up in the industry from the age of 13. So my maturity comes from the industry, and secondly seeing my father and mother. They never did bad to anybody. मैंने आज तक का till today मैंने अपने माँ बाप को बैठ के ये डिस्कस नहीं करते हुए सुना है कि इसने मेरा बुरा किया, इसका सत्यानाश हो जाए. इसने, ये इंसान ने ऐसा किया ना, अल्लाह उसको दिखाएगा. इसने उसको वैसा किया ना, मेरे दिल की हाई है. यू नो, अ नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन डज हैपन इन द एनी हाउस. मैंने आज तक का नहीं सुना मेरे मॉम डैड के मुंह से टिल टुडे. तो मेरे मन में भी नहीं आता है टिल टुडे. मेरा माँ बाप कभी नहीं बोलेगा एक ही बोलता है, बेटा जो जैसा करता है ना करने दो, तुम तुम्हारा काम करो। वो होता है, वो टाइम के हिसाब से तुम्हारा नियत अच्छा रहेगा ना, तुमको सब मिलेगा। तुमको जरूरत नहीं है कि अगर कोई गलत किया तो उसके ही लेवल पे नीचे गिर के उसको करो। मैं आजकल मैं बोलने लगी, टिल लाइक राइट नाउ आई कीप सेइंग नो नो, इट्स अ कलयुग का टाइम, जो जैसा करता ना उसको सुना के फिर अच्छा सब बोलकर निकल जाओ। आज मैं बोलने लगती हूँ। मेरे माँ बाप आज तक का दे डोंट स्पीक बैड अबाउट एनीबॉडी, एनीबॉडी। यानी एक काम वाली भी, यहाँ पे तो काम, इधर सर्वेंट्स दे मेक सो मच फूल मैन। मेरा माँ इतना खाना खिला, क्योंकि काम करता है ना, खाना खिलाता है, सब करता है। 9 दिन काम आएगा, 10वें दिन वो गायब होगी, मॉम भड़क जाएगी। 11वें दिन आके सॉरी बोलेगी, मॉम फिर से काम पे लगाएगी। तो वो माफ करने का आदत ही है दोनों को, मॉम डैड को आदत है। तुम कितना भी बुरा करके चले जाओगे ना, पैसे चोरी करके ले जाओ, झूठ बोल के चले जाओ, कुछ लेके चले जाओ, तभी खराब लगेगा। बट विद इन द सेकेंड डे इफ यू कम एंड बी सॉरी अबाउट इट, दे विल फॉरगिव यू, दे विल फॉरगिव यू। तो वो बचपन से मैंने देखा है, सिंस चाइल्डहुड आई हैव सीन दैट इन माय पेरेंट्स।
సో ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చాక పేరెంట్స్ తో ఎలాంటి గొడవ అవ్వలేదు ఇక్కడ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ కానీ వాళ్ళ అడ్వైస్
I am very lucky to have a very supportive family. My family, I only believe in my family is my mother, father, Shamina Didi, my brother-in-law, Shamir Shamroz, my nephew, me and Zabain. ये मेरा फैमिली है। उसके अलावा मेरे को कुछ नहीं मालूम दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है। Genuinely, I genuinely don't know what's happening around me. And I genuinely don't want to know what's happening around me. I'm not interested. ये मेरा फैमिली है, इतना काफ़ी है मेरे लिए। I'm very lucky. I'm very lucky. My elder nephew is 21 years old. My younger one is 19 years old. I'm very lucky to have family who supports me for each and every small thing.
అండ్ నార్మల్గా ముమ్మాయితీ ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చాక సాంగ్స్ కానీ స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్ కానీ అవన్నీ కొంచెం బోల్డ్గానే ఉన్నాయి. సో బీ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎ పఠాన్ ఫ్యామిలీ, సో
Baby, it's just a thinking.
మీ ఫ్యామిలీ ఓకే ఓపెన్ ఉన్నారు,
No.
రిలేటివ్స్ వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు
A
కదా.
friend of mine. Who cares about relatives?
నో, మీ పేరెంట్స్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చి చెప్పడం కానీ దే గాట్.
I told you ना, my mother is what? Do you think इसमें guts रहेगा आके मेरी माँ को बोलने?
ఓకే
जब बेटी ऐसी है तो सोच लो माँ कैसी रहेंगी. My mother, she is a very powerful woman.
ఓకే
Trust me, I'm telling you.
Did there any dare to do that? Did
Nobody
anyone dare
dared.
to do that?
Nobody dared.
Okay.
कि मालूम है हसीन पागल है, जैसा बोलते ना मैं पागल हूँ. मालूम है उस मम्मी का नाम हसीना है. They call her हसीन.
ఆఫ్టర్ లివింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయాక మీరు మీ మదర్ పిక్ ఒకటి సెండ్ చేయండి. వీ వాంట్ టు షో టు యువర్ వ్యూవర్స్. మీరు ఇంత చెప్పారు కదా మదర్ గురించి, మదర్ అండ్ ఫాదర్ గురించి. వీ వాంట్ టు షో.
My mother is very shy when it comes to camera.
Just send a photo. We'll show that.
Done. I'll give you. I love my both parents. Yeah. यार किसमें ताकत नहीं होती बोलने. Especially to a family, nobody speak. And I told you na, society doesn't matter to me. I'm sorry. I don't work according to the society because society doesn't feed me. Society is not giving my monthly payment. Society is not putting the grocery in my house. Society is not paying my light bill. Society is not doing anything for me. Neither anybody.
Okay.
Nobody. I have become independent from the age of 13. So nobody. Sorry.
కానీ మీకు వచ్చిన ఆఫర్స్ జుబైన్కి రాలేదు, మీరే కదా ఎక్కువ
Arey, Zabain was into modeling, yeah, babe.
ఓకే.
Zabain is a typical model type.
ఓకే.
I am pakka filmy type. Zabain is a model. She represented our India in 2004. She was Miss Tourism Queen.
వావ్.
She won the title. So, Zabain won Glad Rags, Miss Tourism Queen. She did so many. She's a pakka model.
ఓకే.
She's not a filmy like me. नहीं आएगा उसको. Zabain को expression भी नहीं आएगा.
బట్ మీ ఇద్దరు కలిసి ఒక సాంగ్ చేశారు కదా తమిళ
We do songs because
డాడీ
we look
మమ్మీ
twins. Yes, after makeup we look twins.
yes yes.
इसके लिए we work together. मजा आती है पर वो बोलती ना मुन्नू मेरे को तो समझता ही नहीं है.
But she too dances well.
Yeah. She is now working as an assistant director with Prabhu Bijoy Nambiar. She is doing so many things for her life. वो अलग है. Zabain was a very studious kid.
Wow.
And I was a very average.
Me below average.
Babe, average kid है ना बहुत लाइफ में कमाल करते हैं पता है.
Yes.
सीरियसली मुझे आज तक का साइन करने नहीं आता है. Oh God, I'm telling you. I told my CA एक स्टैम्प दे दो ना साइन का कर दूंगी चेक पे, मुझे नहीं आता है. So yeah, Zubain is a very studious kid.
ఓకే షీ స్టేస్ విత్ యూ మీతోనే ఉంటుందా?
See, we all three sisters are settled. Older sister got married at the age of 18 to my brother-in-law, sister और मेरे भांजे, my nephews. ठीक है, उनका घर है just 10 feet away from my house.
ఇక్కడ ముంబైలోనే?
हाँ, in Mumbai. ठीक है, उसके 10 feet इधर my house. उसके थोड़ा half an hour near लोखंडवाला, Zubain bought her own house.
ఓకే.
So we all are settled in our own place. सब chilled out है, सब अपना बैठते खाते आराम करते जाते फ्रेंड से मिलते. Chill out है babe, life.
పేరెంట్స్ మీతో ఉంటారు ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లో?
I will not live without my parents. Since my childhood, I'm sorry. I cannot live without my parents because since childhood it was in my brain. नहीं, मुझे मेरे माँ बाप को गरीब नहीं देखना है. मुझे मेरे माँ बाप को देखना है till the time my mother father is there, they are alive. I have to give them everything that when they die they should smile and die. कि हाँ satisfied कि मेरा बच्चा भी खुश है, सब माँ ने करके भी रखा है, माँ बाप भी खुश है, सब प्रॉपर है. I will stay with my parents.
సో మ్యారేజ్ థాట్స్ లేవని?
Please stop it. I'm not interested.
ఐ నో నేను కొన్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూస్లో చేశాను, అదే చెప్తున్నా, మ్యారేజ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేదు అని.
नहीं లేదు
లేదు అండ్ చేసుకోరు.
వద్దు.
ఎందుకంత?
Not interested.
అంటే
I had relation. I had 4 serious relationship in my life. It's not like that I did not try or I'm like, a pakka virgin girl. No. I'm a 31-year-old woman. Independent woman. But नहीं यार, मेरे जैसा सोचने वाला कोई नहीं है यार. There is nobody who can...
మీతో సింక్ అయ్యే థాట్స్ వచ్చే పర్సన్ వస్తే?
हाँ, then no problem. But I know for sure till the time I'm here, there is nobody who's gonna think like me. और मुझे मालूम है अगर कोई लड़का भी है ना, बाल पकड़ के मार के अपने आप को भाग जाएगा कि मैंने क्या कर दिया. मैं किसके साथ रिलेशनशिप में हूँ. I told you, there is no filter from my brain till my mouth. So it's better to be honest. It's better to be honest than lying and holding on to something which is not even worth. Arey, life goes on, yaar. It goes up and down, up and... Ali said it. This dialogue is Ali's dialogue. Your industry, being an artist, you're like a heartbeat. You're supposed to go up and down, up and down. That means you're still alive. ठीक है? I took that thing and put it on my life also. Your life is also supposed to be like that. You're supposed to go up and down. So every relation, every friendship, every people around you, your school, your education, your cousins, your family, everybody, there is up and down. And with that, I have learned one thing. हाँ, मैंने ये सीखा, but I have molded in my way, thinking about, okay, shit has happened. I am feeling very bad about it. Shit has happened, and the shit really happened with the bird. The shit really. See, it's funny, right? Bird भी बोला ले shit happened बोल रही ना, ले एक और ले. But I believe we are supposed to move on. See, this is how we are supposed to move on. Take the life as a very lighter way, in a very happy way. Enjoy about it. Be funny about it. Laugh on yourself. That's it. Move on. Make others happy.
ఫస్ట్ రిలేషన్షిప్ బ్రేక్ అయినప్పుడు కూడా ఇంతే స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉన్నారా?
हाँ, फर्स्ट रिलेशन ऐसा होता है ना फॉर एवरीबडीज लाइफ. पीछे कैमरा के शादी हुई, आंटी को बोलती हूँ रुको, भाभी को बोलती हूँ जाकर, भाभी फर्स्ट रिलेशनशिप बोल रही ना, पीछे से कैमरा के पीछे से कर रहे. बोला मैंने.
సో ఫస్ట్ రిలేషన్షిప్లో ఇంత స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉన్నిందా లేకపోతే
No, first relationship really hurt me a lot.
యు వర్ సీరియస్?
I was very serious. I was very serious. वेरी वेरी सीरियस. कि वो झटका जो लगा कि आज तक का लाइफ एकदम डिफरेंट थॉट प्रोसेस से जीना है. मुझे खुद से लाइफ जीना है. आई वांट टू लिव माई लाइफ द वे आई वांट टू, नॉट ऑन एनीबडीज टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन. सॉरी, सब तो अपनी लाइफ ही जी रहे हैं ना. So why the hell I cannot live my life on my own terms and condition? I am going to live my life on my own terms and conditions. समझ में आया रो, नहीं समझ आया fuck off. Mine is very simple and I'm very happy. I have people, good people around me. Touch wood, I have good work. Touch wood, I have good school friends. Touch wood, my nephews are my best friend. Touch wood, my family is my best friend. मेरे को कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है मैं उनके पास जाके रो सकती हूँ.
Yeah.
I don't need anybody or to show the world, look at me, I'm hard. Fuck that. It's not at all my cup of tea. Simple. You have to change. You cannot constantly be stable. You cannot. And when you change to become stronger.
Okay.
When you change to motivate people. When you change to inspire people. When you change, the change is good when that change is keeping you happy.
Okay.
So change only when you are happy. Otherwise, leave it. Stay the way you want to stay. See how your life goes. मेरे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. नहीं फर्क पड़ता. But हाँ, first relationship does matter for every girl. और एनी बॉय जैसा वो अंकल पीछे कैमरा के सबको मैटर करता है, सिर्फ कोई बताता नहीं है.
Yes.
कोई जायज नहीं करता है बिकॉज दे आर स्कैर्ड दैट पीपल आर गोना जज देम. व्हाई? लेट देम जज. Because people are gonna judge you, you will get to know what their thought process is about this whole thing. You will get to know किस तरह के प्रकार के प्राणी हैं. There are different types of pranis on this planet with different attitude, different thought process, different thinking. You will not only get positive, you will get negative also. तो पता तो चले. Do it. You will get to know who's right and who's wrong. कैसे कैसे टाइप के लोग होते हैं दुनिया में. सीखो. That is important for you, anybody to learn.
Okay.
Don't think, oh shit, ज़ैब में ये डायलॉग तो चुराने वाली हूँ तेरा. माई सिस्टर का डायलॉग है. अकॉर्डिंग टू माई फैमिली आई एम वेरी नाइव.
Okay.
ठीक है. ये डायलॉग माई सिस्टर ज़बाइन शी टोल्ड मी वन डे बिकॉज आई गेट वेरी अपसेट इमीडिएटली. जो अभी नहीं हो रही हूँ मैं, जो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा, और ऑपरेशन के बाद तो और भी फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. जाओ जो करना है कर लो, जो उखाड़ना है उखाड़ लो. इट डजंट मैटर टू मी. सो शी सेड इट, मुन्नू डू यू एक्चुअली थिंक, तेरा तो ऐसा है मुन्नू कि मैं शेर को नहीं खाती तो शेर मुझे भी नहीं खाएगा. इट्स अ फैक्ट. इट्स अ वेरी रॉन्ग थिंकिंग. That if I am not eating lion, the lion will not eat me. It is the wrong thinking. Because I used to think, nah, I am not bad with anybody. I am not doing wrong to anybody. I am not hurting anybody. So why people are hurting me? So that's where the dialogue comes. And that stuck in my brain. मैंने हाँ यार ठीक है भाड़ों में जाए, मेरे को ज़रूरत ही नहीं किसी के ऊपर भी इतना थिंकिंग डालने की या इतना सोचने की कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. That's where you learn from life, yeah. So much you learn. And once you become 31, obviously you will learn more because your brain works more faster. And on top of that, you have 9 titanium wires, so it will run more faster, like a Rajdhani train. Correct? It will run more faster, like a Rajdhani train. So that. See? Laugh, laugh. Today is the happy day. Laugh. Did anybody give you interview like this and made you laugh so
No,
much?
That's why I invited you.
Sorted. See, my thing to be here, be happy, make people happy, talk truth about everything, be honest about yourself, accept your mistakes. No problem, yeah. किसको जो judge करना है करने दो. Whoever wants to say anything, let them say. अरे यार, I went for this Vizag show, which I never did it, and they're calling me from last 4 years. Correct? 4 या 5 years से.
వైజాగ్ దగ్గర చిన్న విలేజ్ లో ఏదో షో దట్ వన్. Yeah.
5 साल से बेचारे लोग मुझे बुला रहे. And I never did it because I was on break.
Yeah.
I took a break. I went to Mumbai. कि मैं अभी मेरा लाइफ एंजॉय करना है. मैंने टीन्स नहीं देखा, 20s नहीं देखा, कुछ लाइफ एंजॉय ही नहीं किया, तो मैं भागू तो सही मुंबई. That's the reason why I took a break. So over here you saw all the rumor what they have started. ठीक है, which never matter. Which doesn't even matter to me. When I went Vizag ka, they started saying I've turned into recording dancer. And I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? मैंने सही है करो. कर लो. I'm like, karo, because see, you get to see, you know me as a person, so you know me. Correct? And people who know me, and when they read everything about this, imagine उन लोग कितना हंसते होंगे ये लोगों पर कि just to create a nuisance, a gossip just for that one click on your website, you write this. कमाने दो पैसा, उसका भी घर मेरे से ही चल रहा है, चला भाई कमा. ऐसा सब है. When I came back, I finished Tikka and started promotion, and when I went to audio function, that's where then one guy, I don't know from where, he writes, I have 3 husbands from 3 different caste.
Yeah. I've heard
यार
that.
एक भी नहीं यार, 3 अलग अलग कास्ट में. Lady was like, ये क्या बात हो गई? कैथलिक, मुस्लिम और प्रॉपर तेलंगाना.
Wow.
सही है. अब बच्चे कब पैदा करूंगी वो बता देना. Let be. ऐसा होता है babe. When you reach to a position ना, this is what happens, and I have accepted. अरे मैंने ये भी decide किया है, जो लोग on my Facebook whatever they write also ना, सब का नाम निकाल के, उनके सब के कमेंट्स निकाल के एक दिन बैठ के लाइव वीडियो करूंगी. ये ऐसे टाइप के लोग होते हैं हमारे उधर. देखो अगर मैं बोल्ड कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरे को बचपन से एक ही चीज सिखाया है, दिस इज योर जॉब. You're supposed to do your job. Right now you're doing your job. Are you going to wear your bikini? If I'm going to say wear your bikini and take my interview, are you going to do that? No. Do you think in office, corporate world, they can wear casual and go? No. You have to wear formals. So this is my job. And if I'm respecting my job, I am doing my job without thinking about that somebody is looking at my boobs or somebody is looking at my ass. I'm not even thinking about it because my focus is completely my job. तो यार जिसकी सोच गलत है तो वो तो दिख ही रहा है ना. इट इज सीन. प्रकार प्राणीज, डिफरेंट प्राणीज, एनिमल्स ऑन आवर लैंड. इट्स इजी टू सी. सो यू शुड नॉट फील बैड ऑल्सो अबाउट इट. आई डोंट फील बैड. आई जेन्युइनली डोंट फील बैड क्योंकि मुझे लगता है एज एन आर्टिस्ट मैं सबका पेट भर रही हूँ. वो दुआ है मुझ पे.
ఇంతే బోల్డ్గా ఉందా ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చిన కొత్తలో కూడా ముమ్మైత్? డెసిషన్ వైజ్, థింకింగ్ వైజ్ ఇంతే స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉందా
యా
స్టార్టింగ్లో కూడా? అంటే ఏమి తెలియదు ఇండస్ట్రీ గురించి వచ్చేసింది.
హీ ఈజ్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ ఎట్ జెమినీ అవార్డ్, హీ ఈజ్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. హౌ ఐ టేక్ మై డిసిజన్స్. I take my decisions. पसंद आए नहीं पसंद आए भाई sorry. And I will give you the reason also for it.
ఓకే.
I will not be bully about it or throw attitude. नहीं मुझे नहीं करना है. No, I'll give you my reason why I'm saying no.
ఓకే.
I'll always give you my reason.
బట్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ అండ్ బోల్డ్ మెంటాలిటీ వర్కౌట్ అవ్వదు కదా. ఇక్కడ అన్ని చుప్పా జరుగుతుంది.
12 years I'm in this industry yaar. You're saying
స్టార్టింగ్లో
I've always been like this.
అంటే మీకు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చాయా మీ యాటిట్యూడ్తో? రాలేదు, అస్సలు రాలేదు. మేబీ మీ ముందు కాకపోయినా మీ వెనకైనా ఎవరైనా
Who
బ్యాక్
cares?
బిచింగ్ చేయడం లాంటివి,
Who cares?
దానివల్ల మీ కెరియర్ ఏమి?
Who cares? Do you see anything wrong with my career? वो तो break I took.
ఎస్.
Before that, every day though I was working. Who cares? Genuinely, who cares? बोला ना, people who are liar, who are chore, who have black heart and who are wrong will run away from me.
ఓకే.
There is no lock on my tongue. There is no filter from my brain till my mouth.
ఏదైనా ఆఫర్స్ మీకు ఇచ్చి మళ్ళీ తీసేయడం అలా జరిగినాయా?
यानी
ఎనీ ఆఫర్స్ మీకు ఇచ్చారు మూవీలో, మిమ్మల్ని సైన్ చేయించేశారు మీ చేత, ఆ తర్వాత వచ్చి లేదు ఇంకేదైనా రీజన్ వల్ల మిమ్మల్ని తీసేసామని అలా చెప్పిన సిచ్యువేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
no man,
No, లేదు.
never. Touch wood by God grace. कभी
వన్స్
नहीं ऐसा
మూమెంట్
हुआ.
ఫిక్స్ అయితే ఫిక్స్ అమ్మ.
Fix it. There is no nothing never happened. Never happened. क्योंकि till the time I don't take the signing amount मैं confirm ही नहीं करती हूँ तो तब जब signing amount ले लिया तो उसको झक मार के करना ही पड़ेगा. When I take the signing amount they have to do it. When you want to work with me, this is the whole thing is there.
ఎస్.
Simple. Mine is very simple. You call me 7 o'clock shift. I'll be there by 5 o'clock. I'll go sleep. I'll make up over there. I'll be ready before your camera or anything is also ready. I'll be in the van. You call me 15 minutes prior. I have to only get up, do the touch up and go out and work.
ఓకే.
My life is this. दिस इज माई जॉब. मैं अपना जॉब को अगर प्यार नहीं करूंगी, इफ आई विल नॉट लव माई जॉब, इफ आई विल नॉट लव वॉट आई डू, बेब कैसा वर्क होगा? आई विल नॉट सर्वाइव इन अ इंडस्ट्री फॉर 12 years. आई केम हियर एट द एज ऑफ 18. आई एम 31 नाउ.
టాలీవుడ్ కి 18
Yes.
అండ్
Bollywood, I went from the age till 13 till Munna Bhai I did when I was 17. They took my parents' signature. I did Lucky. I was 18. After 18, I came here to do Swami movie. Then Puri's 143. Then Chhatrapati. Then Pokeri. And then that's how it went down. So I've been in our Telugu industry, our Tollywood industry, our Andhra Pradesh, our Hyderabad from the age of 18.
ఓకే
I genuinely am telling you, this is like my second house. I'm not kidding. Ego bolte ne, where are you born in? Mumbai, born and brought up. Where do you work? I work in Mumbai also and Hyderabad also. But mostly, if you see everything I'm wearing, it is from my industry. Because of my fans. They loved me, I earned, and I could wear and I could look like this and be like this. It is all them. Nothing. 12 years, babe. I gave to our industry, babe.
ఇంత స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉండే ముమ్మాయిత్ కాస్టింగ్ కౌచ్ ఏమైనా ఫేస్ చేసిందా?
No, nobody had any guts to even come there. When you asked, did any of your relatives come to your mother? Same way. Did anybody have the guts to come to me? No. No. They know ye pagal hai, maregi pakad ke. They know very well. She will hit. They know very well. That's why no.
మీకు ఎవరైనా ఇష్టమే, మీరు ఎవరినైనా ఇష్టపడ్డారా? డిడ్ యూ లైక్ ఎనీవన్ ఇన్ ఎన్ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
I like everyone, babe.
నో అలా కాదు, ఒక రిలేషన్షిప్ కోసం
No.
ఇండస్ట్రీలో
No. My one funda from Bombay itself, where you work, don't do anything over there. When your work is done, your personal life is completely different than your professional life. So मेरा personal life, if you see my FB page and all that, you saw how much I party and I do my thing. वो मेरा life है. If you judge me for that, it's your mistake, not mine. I'm sorry. But when I'm working, I am working. There is no, यार ये मेरा काम है यार. This is my work.
కానీ క్రష్ అయితే ఉంటుంది కదా డైలీ. మామూలుగా నార్మల్ పర్సన్స్ కంటే మీరు ఎక్కువ
नहीं
మంది
babe, नहीं वो क्रश इमेजिन मैंने बचपन से वो दिमाग में नहीं डाला है. नहीं. Where you work, no. Because growing up in the industry, I have seen a lot. तो जब तुम सीख ही लेते हो देख कर, तो तुम्हारा
చూసి నేర్చుకోవడం ఒకటి, మిమ్మల్ని ఫేస్ చేసి మీకు అది తగిలి నేర్చుకొని రియలైజ్ అవ్వడం ఒకటి కదా. సో మీరు ఎవరినైనా మీ ఇష్టపడడం కానీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో లేదు, అసలు లేదు? ఓకే.
I will not lie. If there is something, I will say. जब इतना पूरा मैंने बोला तो ये भी बोलूंगी. There is no. But good friends are there.
ఓకే.
Good friends, genuinely like Bombay mentality people, ये good friends का अलग मतलब वाला good friends नहीं. Proper Bombay, the way I am, open mentality and open minded. Hey, what's up, dude? Oh, fuck, man, blah blah. वैसे type का I have friends here.
ఓకే.
हाँ, good friends are there. That's it. उसके अलावा नहीं, babe. When you work with somebody, even with them you work, they're your acquaintance. You can't make any relation with any one of them. You'll be a good friend to them.
మనకు తెలియకుండానే అది జరుగుతుంది కదా.
नहीं babe, वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में ना शायद आई हैव पुट इट इन माई सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. नो.
ఓకే.
तो इसके लिए योर कॉन्शियस माइंड वर्क. Genuinely saying. So when you put it in your subconscious mind, now your conscious mind will always say no.
70+ మూవీస్ అదేనా? 70+.
18 years from the age of 13 till 31.
అన్ని ఇండస్ట్రీస్తో కలిపి.
Including background dancer and everything, more than 150. As a background dancer, including that with the character, with all the movies, Bombay and here, more than 150 because Rose काम.
అండ్ 17 years ఇండస్ట్రీలో.
Yeah, 13 to 31. Na?
సో ఈ జర్నీ ఒక్క 2 లైన్స్లో చెప్పండి మీ వచ్చిన దగ్గర నుంచి.
Fantastic. Look at Mumayat today, man. Journey is fantastic. Two lines is that only. I'm very happy. I am very happy. I'm genuinely very happy.
ఓకే.
काम मिले नहीं मिले doesn't matter. बहुत प्यार मिलता है.
ఓకే.
When my this operation also happened, my mother said it. बेटा तुझे तेरे फैंस की दुआ है और तेरे को जानवरों का दुआ है because I love pets ना.
वाओ.
तो मेरा माँ बोलता है हाँ मेरा माँ बोल शी वॉज टेलिंग मी कि बेटा देखो तेरा फैंस का दुआ और तेरा जानवरों का दुआ है तो तू बच गई मैं बच गई तो इसके लिए देर इज I am very happy in wherever position I'll be, even though if I work in the industry or I don't work in the industry, touch wood, my goal was to satisfy my parents and make something and keep it so that when they die very satisfyingly. There shouldn't be any problem. और उनके मरने के बाद भी they should not think यार मेरे बच्चे के साथ क्या होगा. तो माँ ने भी बच्चे के लिए इतना बना के रख दिया, उसी के ही पैसे का. तो इसके लिए टेंशन है ही नहीं. और पहले से ना फेम मनी इतना मुझे बॉदर किया, तो मैं तो नॉर्मल लाइफ जी ही रही हूँ. सो इवन दो इफ आई वर्क और आई डोंट वर्क, मैं नॉर्मल खुश हूँ. मेरे स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स हैं, दैट्स इट. आई डोंट हैव एनी.
ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీ కాకపోతే ఇంకా లేదు వర్క్ ఇక్కడ అనుకుని చాలు అనుకుంటే
ఐ లీవ్ టు యుఎస్. I will leave to US. My mentality doesn't match. It's completely different than other people.
ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది యుఎస్ లో?
अरे मेरी माँ ने तो बोला है, my mother said it, बेटा you have your property ना, sell one, buy it in US, go stay there, live your life, settle there, because your mentality doesn't match. And my mother said it. So I was like ठीक है, क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है. Even though over there if you go and work in a normal, because the wages is very high there, by the way, let me tell you, they don't have much employees like we have in India. अपने इंडिया में लेबर ज़्यादा है, वहाँ पे नहीं है. So the wages are good. Even though if I go and work in Victoria's Secret or H&M or any big brand, I'll get good amount. और उधर ही जाकर उधर ही LA में, Burbank में you'll find all the studios. Go give the interview. एक तो प्रोफाइल तो है ना ऑनलाइन इतना बड़ा. जाओ इंटरव्यू दे दो, लक लगी नहीं लगी तो वो एंजॉय करो लाइफ में. गो गेट योर लाइक यू नो आवर्स का पे, वेजेस, enjoy your life, spend nicely, meet someone whom you think your same mentality guy. If you don't meet also, still you're happy, because alcohol is very 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 cheap. Though I cannot drink after my operation, but still अपने आप ना दिल को बोल के तसल्ली हो जाती है कि हाँ नहीं, कुछ ना कुछ तो फन हो जाएगा. So that's what I have decided.
సో ముమైత్ డార్క్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ చూసింది, అంటే ఫినాన్షియల్ కానీ అండ్ ఫేమ్ ఈ గ్రాఫ్ చూసింది. సో ముమైత్ సోషల్ సర్వీస్ లాంటివి ఏమన్నా వాటిల్లో ఉంది అంటే కొంచెం ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ చూసి ఫేమ్ చూసిన వాళ్ళకి ఆ పెయిన్ తెలుస్తుంది.
See, I would love to do that, but I would still want to come on that position to do that.
ఓకే.
Right now, whatever I did was for myself and my family. You know, there is this saying, the charity begins at home.
ఎస్.
The charity begins at home, and it is true. So till now, Mumayat only gave her life taking care of her house and her family, her mother and father. That was her whole goal. And whatever she has right now, it is only enough for that.
ఓకే.
She cannot share it with anybody. क्योंकि वो शेयर करने जाएगी ना, खुद ही टूट के गिर जाएगी. So I will not be like यार नहीं मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है तो भी मैं करके दूंगी. No, मेरे को इतना दयावान नहीं बनना है. I would rather work sensible. I would rather do smart things where I know यार ठीक है, किसी और से या कैसे भी socially करके we can give it. I would love to be part of something like that.
ఓకే.
Where I can really help it. And I especially want to help all the animals and old age people. मेरा ये अरमान है. This is my dream for sure.
ఎన్ని పెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మీ దగ్గర? పెట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి?
Now तो I have one Molly. इतनी छोटी है, so much attitude she's got. She's worse than her owner.
He raised by you.
हाँ, that's why I'm saying ना, she's worse than her owner. She's worst. They say it ना, your pet is the reflection of your owner. She's worst. I was never like that. अरे she's a mini pincher. She's only 3 feet. Her attitude is of 15 feet. और जैसे कुछ ऐसे भी आवाज आए ना, she'll run first. She will run first for her life. She will run first. हाँ. And then one day I was telling her, Molly, बेटा हम लोग सब मर जाएंगे, तू अकेली रहेगी, तेरे को कौन देखे? ऐसा भागते नहीं, साथ में मरने का, भागना नहीं. She is Molly, and she is there with me from last 3 years now. Since childhood till now, I had more than 9 cats. I had more than Moti was having 16 kids. So 16, फिर Sophie और 2 Dashin, Prince and Princess. दो Dashin, then I had German Shepherd, I had a normal dog, so 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, normal dog, and then I came here, I bought Pitbull, and then
List goes on.
I since childhood, babe, not just now, since childhood, I loved it. More than 25 dogs I had it, and now Molly is there.
అమలా గారి వర్క్ గురించి ఐడియా ఉందా పెట్స్
हाँ मेरी माँ तो पानी मार के भगाती थी मेरी माँ they'll come and be with me because I used to give love.
అమలా అమలా గారు నాగార్జున గారి వైఫ్
अच्छा Amla, oh okay, I thought you were saying Amma, my mother.
అమలా
हाँ, so that was there, and then I had 2 monkeys, and I had parrot. My father was having one monkey, normal one, and then goats and chicken, desi chicken.
ఓకే గాట్ ఇట్
I love pets. मेरी माँ बोलती ना बेटा तू I was telling Gopi the other day, Gopi I wanna actually genuinely I wanna pet buffalo.
ఓకే
They look so cute.
ఇక్కడ
Boy, this is
హైదరాబాద్ లో
so
మీ ఇంట్లో సరిపోతుందా ప్లేస్
No, no, my mother is saying buy a bungalow. You keep it in your backyard, your zoo. So I wanna have a proper goat, hen. I like it. It's your time pass. It's not time pass. It's just the love you wanna give. That's what, because my goat used to touch his head on my head to love me.
ఓకే
So that's when I miss my goat. In Muslim, you're supposed to take care of your goat, and then Bakra Eid mein you're supposed to give it, because there is a saying like Allah maaf karna, I forgot the name, but then there is a saying a guy was said to give bali of his son, so he was ready. So when he was ready, so then that's where the God was like, you know what? No, wait. Instead of that, you do it on the goat. So that's the reason why in Muslim you're supposed to take care of a goat for a whole year as your own child. And then you cannot give the bali. You cannot. And when you do it, so that's where the heart breaks. So that's the ritual. The ritual is completely different and you cannot break that ritual.
ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీలో అమలా గారు ఉన్నారు కదా అమలా గారు ఇలాంటి యాక్టివిటీస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు ఐడియా ఉందా మీకు అండ్
Peeta, she's there, na? Yes.
బ్లూ క్రాస్
Yes, Blue Cross, correct.
హ్యావ్ యూ
Correct.
బీన్ టు దేర్
No, babe.
Okay.
I don't get out of my house.
Okay.
Because as soon as I get out, good luck, right now nobody is there. Otherwise, you saw when I came what was happening. तो मेरा घर के नीचे ही उतर के तो सब वॉचमैन ऐसा, तो अभी उनको मना भी नहीं कर सकते हैं ना, हाँ सर, ओके सर, ऐसा होता है. तो इसके लिए आई डोंट गेट आउट ऑफ द हाउस आल्सो.
ఏం టాటూయింగ్ ఇష్టమా బాగా
Yes.
అండ్ ఆ సాంగ్లో కూడా పోక్రీ సాంగ్లో కూడా మీ
Yes, I have 10 tattoos
ఓవరాల్
overall.
ఓకే
10.
ఏజ్లో యూ గోట్ దట్
16.
16లో
16 से I started piercing, tattoo.
ఓకే
Started. I don't know. I was very much. I was attracted towards it, not for show off, not to show off to somebody or like, look, I'm so hip and hap, like, oh God, look at me. No, it was never that case. I love it. If you tell me, Mumayat, I'll pay for your tattoo, get your whole back tattoo done, I will do it. अरे कर ले, फिर बोल सकती ना माँ को मैंने तो पैसा नहीं दी, मैंने नहीं, उसने बोली है, मैंने नहीं करी. हाँ हो गया ना मम्मी, fuck it. ऐसा. I don't do it.
అండ్ ముమైత్ ఖాన్ స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్కే కాకుండా యాక్టింగ్ కూడా చేసింది కొన్ని మూవీస్లో బట్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ మిమ్మల్ని ఎలా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తారంటే సాంగ్స్లోనే స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్లోనే తెలుసా అది మీకు
Yes, they like that one also, and they like me in, they like my Maisamma IPS character. They keep telling me about that. Madam, Saya Maisamma IPS. Thanks to Dasari Garu sir, man. Dasari sir has done a fantastic job with me. I don't know why and how he saw that girl in me. I don't have any. You know how I went and I met him? In my La Senza pajama and t-shirt and a Bata chappal. I was at the shoot. And that's what I wear. I wear my night suit and go. Because as soon as you reach there, you have to change in your clothes again, right?
Yeah.
So what's the point of wearing good clothes and going? So that's how I went and I met him with my mother.
ఓకే మిమ్మల్ని అలా స్పెషల్ సాంగ్లోనే చూద్దాం అనుకుంటే మీకు ఓకేనా లేదా ఇలా క్యారెక్టర్స్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్
I am okay with any job. Till the time I'm in the industry, I'm okay with any job. हाँ कोई मदर का रोल या आंटी वंटी का रोल, सॉरी तो भूल जाना भाई, तब तक मैं यूएस में रहूंगी. वो तो सोचना ही नहीं मुमायत कभी जिंदगी में करेगी. सॉरी, ना किसी की मम्मी बनना है मुझे, ना किसी की आंटी बनना है. That तो थिंग यू विल नेवर फाइंड इन मी.
ఓకే ఎన్ని తెలుగు సాంగ్
I like only one song in Telugu.
I will tell you. That I forgot. Yeah, some female version song. You love it from. It's been 10 years, I think, as the song.
I love this song from Munna movie.
Manasa, I got it. Yeah.
I love that song. Manasa నువ్వుందే చోటే చెప్పమ్మా మనసే నీకేదో చెప్పాలందమ్మా నిన్న మొన్న ఈవైనమ్మాలో లేదమ్మా ఈ రోజేతో ఆనందం చంపేస్తుందమ్మా मुझे इतना ही आता है उसका वो उतना ही काफ़ी है शी इज सो नाइस जिसने वो गाना गाया है इट्स सो नाइस आई जस्ट लव दैट टोन
ముమైత్ ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ ఎలా నిద్ర లేస్తుంది కాఫీతోనా సాంగ్తోనా లేకుంటే
No, no, one hour in my room, nobody enter. Nobody enters after getting up. That's it. I get up, I actually sit on the potty for almost half an hour. With my iPad and with my phone and everything and check my mails and every detail and everything and play my games, whatever I left the earlier night, finish it in the morning. And then after that I'll get up, I'll brush and I'll freshen up and everything. My mom will come and see if I'm out from the bed or no. So she knows कि हाँ भी ये out है तो यानी और आधा घंटा she'll come out. So she'll be prepared with the breakfast and then I'm out. So me and Molly have breakfast together in the morning.
వాట్ విల్ యూ హ్యావ్ యూజువల్లీ
Chai and paratha.
ఓకే డ్యూరింగ్
Flakes.
షూట్స్
Home food. The production car will go and get home food. No production food. Only home food. When I'm here. Only home food. When it's outdoor, then I guess only grilled chicken because I don't eat non-veg much, but only grilled chicken and the local food, pongal, then dal, rasam, like that. वही खाएगा.
సో ఓన్లీ వర్కౌటేనా ముమైత్ ఫిట్నెస్ సీక్రెట్ ఫుడ్ కూడానా
Food, that time workout, then it's always gonna, when I used to work out, see I'm gonna start working out very soon because it's almost gonna be a year now. I gave myself a break. But when I used to work out, I used to have almost a dozen of boiled egg, only white, 4 in the morning, 4 in the afternoon and 4 in the night. And then they gave me a protein shake without 0% carbs. ISO pure, that was I used to have. Then BCC powder, which is for the vitamins, and all my multivitamins and minerals are there, fish oil and everything. That was my daily thing, and that's it. Or home food, only fiber, no carbs. No carbs, because I just saw even on YouTube, your human body doesn't need carbs. Your lungs produce that carbs thingy. That's what I have, that's what I have seen it. So human body doesn't need carbs. It's only we take it for no reason. But human body doesn't need carbs. And nobody needs carbs. So fiber is very much good enough, but not so much good enough that you get constipated. But fiber is good enough because fiber makes it heavy, na? Fiber is good for your body. Mineral, calcium. So all that thing is very good enough. And then I have almond milk.
ఓకే
I go with almond milk, and even with the cornflakes also I go with fruit and nuts one, Kellogg's. Oh, I love that. I love that. I love that thing.
ముమైత్ ఖాన్ ఒక పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైంలో పీక్స్లో ఉంది తన కెరియర్లో పీక్స్లో ఉన్న టైంలో ఈ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక డెసిషన్ తీసుకున్నారు ఇంకా మూవీస్లో ఐటమ్ సాంగ్స్ ఉండకూడదు అని స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్ ఉండకూడదు అని సో అప్పుడు ముమైత్ ఖాన్ ఎలా రియాక్ట్ అయింది అంటే అప్పుడు తన పీక్స్లో అవే చేస్తూ
Never mattered to me, babe.
అంటే లేదు అప్పుడు మీకు అవే ఛాన్స్లు వస్తున్న టైంలో ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డెసిషన్ తీసుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు సో ఏంటి నెక్స్ట్ నాకు ఐటమ్
Acting, character.
అప్పటికే మీకు ఛాన్స్ వచ్చాయి
Of course, babe. Industry got a lot of work, yaar. Industry
గోట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ బట్ మీకు వస్తుందా అని మీకు అనిపించింది
That's the reason why I never categorize myself in one thing, na.
ఎస్
That is the reason why it's not like you'll only find Mumayat doing item song, or you'll find Mumayat doing a character, or you'll find Mumayat doing female oriented song or television. I want to do everything. I will not stop. Creative, I'm a very creative person, and our industry is very creative. So I know I'll have place, and anywhere I'll have place in the industry when it comes to creativity. So it never matters. चलती है गाड़ी, नहीं चली क्या करेगा इंसान. इंसान चलता है, नहीं चला तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. You just have to be happy. That's it.
ఒక 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను, రేట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆన్ దట్.
Oh, okay.
ముమైత్ యాజ్ ఎ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ చైల్డ్.
Oh, 10 out of 10. आज तक का खून खून में भरा है.
ముమైత్ యాజ్ ఎ సిస్టర్.
Oh, 3 out of 10. I like to get pampered from my family. So, me, because I'm the youngest now. Older rehto, then I'll say what my responsibility are being an elder person or elder sister to everybody. So I will give myself 3 because I don't do anything. They'll only do for me. My sisters, they do it for me. Okay. It's because of my father. Because my father loves me. Okay. He pampers me a lot. तो फादर की वजह से सब बहनों को मुझे पैम्पर करना पड़ता है. अब बहन लोग तो कर रहे हैं, नाउ नेफ्यूज आर आल्सो पैम्परिंग मी. दे नो आंटी कैसी है. For them also it's very clear. So as a sister I will give myself 3, very low point.
Okay. How senti? Rate it. How senti you are?
Too much. 10 or 10. Too senti man. इसके लिए I become strong. खराब लगता है, इंसान है, we are human यार. अभी if you're going to fall in gutter, I will not let you fall in gutter ना. I will tell you babe, देख gutter है, गिरना नहीं है please. अब गिर जाएगी, नहीं सुनेगी, गिरेगी. If you'll not listen to me, still you'll fall down. Then I'll tell you. I told you na. How many times I'm supposed to tell you? Why are you repeating the same thing? Why is this? So that's where the sentiment comes and the caring comes, and that's where everything happens. Okay. So it is. I'm sorry. I am like this with my close people. I am like this, and I'll always gonna be like this. If you hate me, stop talking to me. It doesn't matter. But one day for sure you will call me. One day for sure you'll come back to me. I know that for sure. As a friend, I'm a very good friend. I'm a very good friend. I'm a very good friend because as a friend, I don't think twice saying anything wrong, and I don't think twice even appreciating also. I'm a very good friend.
How romantic you are.
Hey, nahi. I am not.
Hey, you've been in 4 relationships. You're not romantic. Don't tell me that's the reason why you got broke up.
No man, they always had ego with me, for God's sake. Okay. Not because I was not romantic, dude. क्या है ये question?
Mumayt is blushing.
What is this question?
Rate yourself no on a scale of 1 to 10.
Dick, you help me with this, okay?
Okay, tell.
Why do I see Sex Pistol? No, I'm serious. There is a Sex Pistol.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah.
You help me. My first relationship was for 4 years.
Okay.
My second relationship was for 3.5. And my third relationship was 2 years. Now my last relationship was 1.5, 2 years. What do you think?
You got vexed up with this relationship. Or your graph is like.
है ना? तो इसके लिए कुछ रेट ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मन ही नहीं है.
At least from your side.
See, as a romantic person and caring and loving, I'm 10 out of 10.
Yes.
When you ask me this. But when you talk about in the relationship, sensible talk, then I will not listen to anybody. So that's where the graph, I don't know where it goes. So इसके लिए it's hard to say it. Love, care, like I said, the way I do it with friends is the same thing. If I'm loving my friends and if I'm in a relationship, imagine it's going to be more. But in the return, if I'm not getting anything, so gradually it is going to get over. And the only love is going to be there only for the family. The care, love, romance, it's only going to be for the family.
So, Mumayt life lo inka boys leru.
No.
No more gents.
Friends are there.
No, అలా కాదు, relationships కానీ.
नहीं ना, अभी इतने जल्दी नहीं. After my operation, you really think I want to waste my money? My expensive titanium wires are there in my brain. Do you genuinely think I want to waste it on getting into any relationship or boys? They're very expensive, huh? By the way, my one titanium wires are very expensive. I paid 27 lakhs for the operation.
Oh my God.
तो एक wire is almost 2.5 lakh, 2 lakhs का wire, and now 9 wire. Multiply it. मैं नहीं देना है ये wire. I feel like mutant, X-Men.
Yeah.
I feel mutant and X-Men. So balls, I'm gonna waste it on anybody. I will not waste. Sorry.
ఓకే ముమైత్,
Yes.
చాలా టైం స్పెండ్ చేసాం మీతో. నేను అసలు యాక్చువల్లీ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు ఇంత మాట్లాడేది. నేను విన్నాను మీ గురించి చాలా ఓపెన్గా మాట్లాడతారు అని. అండ్ సీరియస్లీ ఒక నార్మల్ పర్సన్ నుండి తెలుసుకోవడం కంటే అది ఫేస్ చేసి వచ్చి ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని డైజెస్ట్ చేసుకొని వాటిని ఫైట్ చేసి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి వినడం ఇంకా చాలా బాగుంటుంది. అది రియల్గా నేను చూసాను ఇవాళ. అండ్ యూఆర్ సో ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్ ముమైత్.
Exactly. See, I am very happy and I'm glad that, like, you know, you guys called me over here, taking my interview and, like, you know, knowing me as a person the way I am. So for me, the reason why to do this interview, because it was more on a personal level. It was more on what exactly I've been doing in my life and what's happening and what's not happening, because that's very less you get to see, because most of the time being an artist, you're supposed to promote your movies, you're supposed to promote your songs, you're supposed to promote a lot of things. But very hardly you get to connect with people from heart to heart. You know, very hardly you get it. And then I've always decided and I have always thought that whenever I'll get a chance, like even on my pages also or on my thing, I would rather interact with all my fans directly and be myself than let other people from the media or anybody, like, you know, especially when it comes to online or talking any wrong things about me which is not even true, which I really don't even care about. Genuinely, I don't even care about it. It is okay, let them do it. They'll get the likes, they'll get the hits and उनका रोलिंग चलता रहेगा. I don't care about it. But coming for this interview was exactly because Super 2 also happened. And then when I spoke about, like, you know, the whole thing about my aneurysm coiling, so people wanted to know exactly what was it. So coming here, making people aware of lot of things and, like, you know, making them aware of problems hota hai, you'll go through up and down. You have to do certain things which you don't even like it, but you will do it because eventually, you know, I'm not talking about forcible things or all that. I'm talking about एक दिल को करके नहीं मुझे ये चाय नहीं पीना है. अरे यार अभी के लिए कुछ भी नहीं, पी लो चाय, वो भी बड़ी बात नहीं होती. चल ठीक है, कल मैं कॉफी कर देती हूँ. Tomorrow I'll make a coffee for you. पर आज चल एडजस्ट कर लो. तो वो एडजस्ट करना, understanding towards life, understanding towards someone, understanding about your surroundings, understanding about many things in your life, because in the end of the day you have to grow as a wiser person, because once you grow as a wiser person, that's what you're going to teach your children also. Humanity hai, there is humanity still left. I'm not going to say it's completely gone and everybody is bad and everybody is running behind money and everybody is running behind brands and all that. I'm not going to say that, because there are majority people who really do have humanity.
Yeah.
And somewhere down the line, because of the practical life we live in, because everything has become so practical ke for a man getting up in the morning, काम पर जाता है, he comes back in the evening, and he does that for a whole month for that monthly payment. In that human being, let it be a boy or a girl, the person forget to live happy. क्योंकि वो एक रोबोट जैसा हो जाता है ना,
कमाना
हाँ, वो प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में वो मिस हो जाता है. So that's where I want to make people aware of it. Like, you know, you're going to go through lot of things, money wise, family wise, kids wise, and marriage wise, and, like, you know, lot of friends wise. You're going to meet good people, you're going to meet bad people, something is going to go wrong with you, you're going to fall ill, you're going to fall sick, you're going to go through lot of things. But that doesn't mean that you're going to stop motivating yourself. That doesn't mean that you're going to stop growing yourself. That doesn't mean you're going to stop looking forward in your life. That doesn't mean you'll stop moving on in your life. Because that's not what I have learned. And I am being an example. I'll only speak on my knowledge, what I have gained. And I'm only going to tell you guys also about it. It's like, you have to move on. You have to move on. You cannot sit at one place still and stable and be like, you know, oh no, this is my life, oh, it's all gone, I'm done. You cannot do that. You have to move on. Keep yourself happy. Be with people who really understand you. Mostly be with your family, because the more you understand your family, that's how you're going to choose your friends also. because then that's what you're going to look in your friends, that my family is going to treat me like this. Obviously I want my friends also to be treat me like that, because that's how I'm going to be with my family, and the same way I want to be with my friends too. When it comes to work wise, work hard. I would say work hard, because I've been doing it. After having titanium wires, I still want to work. I don't want to care about what's going to happen tomorrow. I don't want to care about if it's going to break and I'm going to die immediately. I don't want to even think about it, because willpower is something which everybody needs to have it. This is what's going to keep you going, and this is what's going to keep you stronger. और ये सब में ना rich और poor नहीं आता है, ठीक है? क्या अरे तुम्हारे पास तो पैसा है ना, अमीर है तो बोलोगे, हम तो गरीब है ना, ऐसे ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता है. तुम गरीब भी रहो, चटनी रोटी भी खाओ घर में, तुम खुश रहना चाहिए. चटनी रोटी, खुद का सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, सेल्फ एस्टीम, खुद का लाइफ, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. अमीर लोग वो अपना लाइफ जिएगा, उनका सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट वो जिएगा. हर कैटेगरी हमने डिसाइड किया है. हायर लेवल, मिडिल क्लास, लोअर क्लास कुछ नहीं होता है. सिर्फ एक ही होता है, सर्कमस्टांसेस, सिचुएशन इंसान को वैसा कर देता है काम के लिए, और कुछ भी नहीं होता है. और फेट है, नसीब है. अप एंड डाउन होगा लाइक अ हार्ट बीट. दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई वी ऑल आर अलाइव, बिकॉज आवर हार्ट बीट गोज अप एंड डाउन. तो यार लाइफ भी ऐसी ही है, जी लो जिंदगी आराम से. और मुन्ना भाई MBBS का एक डायलॉग है, पागल ये मत सोच जिंदगी में कितने पल है, ये देख हर पल में कितनी जिंदगी है. So this is the best dialogue for everybody's life. Stay positive, stay strong, stay motivated, enjoy your life. अमीर गरीब नहीं सोचना, enjoy. सब अपने अपने घर के राजा, सब अपने अपने घर की रानी, सब अपने घर का मालिक, और कोई किसी का कोई कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता है. So you be happy, stay yourself, keep motivating. गिरता है ना, उठा देना उन लोगों को, बस जो भी गिरे ना उनको उठा देना. That's the only thing. So enjoy, keep enjoying your life and stay happy and keep smiling. Be sadist also sometime. It's fun.
సరే, మనం ఈ ఇంటర్వ్యూని ఫార్మల్గా కాకుండా ముమ్మైత్ అంటే ముమ్మైత్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డాన్స్. మనం ఒక స్టెప్తో ఎండ్ చేద్దాం, ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ టు.
अब मैंने नहीं करना है.
ఒక్క స్టెప్, మీ సిగ్నేచర్ స్టెప్, హిప్ స్టెప్ ఉంది కదా పొకరీ సాంగ్.
You know what I heard? After my Pokri song, they started a belly dancing institute.
Wow.
Seriously, I'm not kidding. I swear on myself. I'm like, हाँ मैडम, आपका वो स्टेप देखकर ना उन लोग ने चालू किया बेली डांसिंग कोर्स.
Wow.
अरे.
It's good, no? We'll end with that then. Please.
पता है मेरे मन से क्या हो रहा है? टन टडन 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 टडन. It's like a laser.
I will dance with you. You teach us.
Okay, done. Let's do it.